Here we are at Kingsknowe station level crossing in Edinburgh with Joe and Paul Gilman. And it is time now is 10:18 on Saturday the 21st of April 2018. This is for your 10:19 1 Mike 6095 Transpan Express service from Edinburgh to Manchester Airport. No, it's going straight through. These trains don't stop here. The station's not big enough for them. The crossing lights out of sync with the pedestrian light though. Keep watching it, it'll start to overtake the light.
Oh yeah.
Which way is Manchester Airport?
Edinburgh's that way, so it could come from that direction.
Good. Pitch I never caught the AHB, but it doesn't matter. It's nice to catch It's nice to catch a crossing, despite what it is and what it was. I always have that feeling I can hear the track start making noise, but it's always something else. It's someone's car engine. Three 350 405 to Manchester Airport.